We're at a theme park we've never been at. We're at Holiday World here in Santa Claus, Indiana. Is it awesome? I don't know. We got a lot of fun things planned. We're going to see some drones later. You're not going to want to miss this one. Stick around. Right after that intro, roll that intro.
Yeah, I just want to see the light.
Hi all, Keith here. Welcome to the video. Today we're going to go have fun at Holiday World. We've wanted to check out this theme park here in Indiana, Santa Claus, Indiana to be exact, for a long time. We chose the Halloween season this year to come check it out. Let's go see what they have to offer. I know there's a corn maze. I know there's a drone show later and they got some special food. So let's go see what they got. Well, you just came in through security and you come in through the marketplace right here. And I'm telling you, get here at least 30 minutes early. It was a smooth process to get through. But look, they got Santa up there. He fun photo pic right out the gate. They also have like fall display here with all the gourds. And you can see the Happy Halloween weekends are running September 21st through October 27th, 2024. There's all kinds of like fun photo pics and stuff like that through this area up here, but we're gonna come back because we're gonna do a nice overview and see what we got to offer first. Check out this fountain. It says, since 1946, 4 generations of our family have celebrated magic of Christmas with our guests. We're grateful to be part of every child's smile and every wonderful memory made here. This fountain is dedicated to all who have visited this park past on this day and for generations to come. That's pretty cool. Right here at the front of the park. Next Halloween lane is right there. We'll go there in a little bit, but they have a skee ball arcade thing right here. And I think we might go in and check Santa's Merry Marketplace out since we're here just a little early. They have a show right here next to the arcade too. I don't know what they do, but Wacky Workshop of Wonders. There's the show times currently 12, 1:30, 3, and 4:30. I mean, and everywhere you turn, there's just like cool holiday decor. It's awesome. It's funny because it's juxtaposed the Christmas against like the Halloween decorations and whatnot they got going on. But it's when two holidays collide, just like Jack Skellington said. Side note, Santa's Marketplace is like a dining hall. So that's why we didn't go in there yet. But anyway, they got some outdoor dining for this restaurant over here. Man, look how strong Chrissy got. She's like impressive. Okay, we're going into the 4th of July over here. See what they got. It's probably still not open. It's 10:52. I bet we got about 8 minutes before the ride's open. Our first ride is the Lewis and Clark Trail because, well, this is one of the only 1 of 5 rides that we can record on here, but it's like an old-timey car ride thing. I will say that this ride is like a little slow unloading and loading. Maybe it's just the morning when they don't have many people down here, but we got in line 10 minutes ago and we're still a good ways away. But that's fine. We're here to relax and have a fun day, so just hop on the cars and take a spin. Okay, that was a fun first ride. Way to warm ourselves up for the theme park adventure here. I did like how you get to see some of the Halloween town back there as you drove around. That was pretty cool, but we're back here the 4th of July, which seems like kind of the kiddie ride section. I don't know for sure, but there's, you know, we just got off the Lewis and Clark Trail, and then there's a merry-go-round. It's a little backlit, but there's a merry-go-round right there. But I love the cool Halloween stuff they got everywhere. Really pretty. There's a place called the Alamo. Looks good, like burritos, tacos, some burrito bowls. Might have to give that place a shot later. Ooh, they got like a Halloween funnel cake flight. That looks amazing. Might have to try that in a little bit when I'm hungry, but they got apple classic and s'mores. Ooh, yeah. And again, look at the cool pumpkin. I wonder if they got them all lit up at night. That'll be cool. One thing to note about this park, there is some change in elevation. Like, it's hard to tell, but like we're going down a pretty good hill right here. Yeah, it reminds us of Dollywood a little bit with how that park is like kind of hilly. So is this park. It's on the hills of southern Indiana. We're going into Thanksgiving here. There's some wooden roller coaster that goes right above there too. That wooden roller coaster that we saw is called the Voyage. Now, like, I remember being at this park a long time ago, maybe 20, 30 years ago, and I don't remember Thanksgiving Land. It looks pretty new back here, so maybe this is an expansion. I don't know, but I'll have to verify that, see when Thanksgiving Land opened here at Holiday World, because everything looks really new back here. I'm not saying Grandma's a little terrifying looking. We're in the queue for the Save the Turkeys shooty ride, and Grandma's all ready for fall here. but I don't know what she's skating there. I can't hardly hear the audio track, but her kitty looks sleepy. Also, Abe Lincoln's really loving him some turkey back there. But this is another ride we cannot record on, so I'll have to put you away. See you after. So the newest coaster here is called Good Gravy. It's a family coaster. It's like a little spike coaster, if you will. The spike is right there, and then you come down here and go through the gravy around the track. And then you go up to that spike and you reverse your course and go right on back to the station. It's kind of a short family coaster, but it looks fun. But again, we cannot record on this ride. So they have tester seats to check and see if you fit on the ride before you get on it. I checked and Devin and Nathan checked. It's like our feet are too tall. Like it's too tall. The thing won't go down. It just hits my knees. So I guess we can't ride this one, but Chrissy may ride it later. But they're currently going backwards. About to come back through the cranberry sauce. Here they come through the cranberry sauce, and they're done. I wonder how many times it goes. Dang it, I wish we could do it. They're going up the spike. Yes, and then the rollback. That's pretty cool. But like right behind Good Gravy here, the Halloween in the Sky, this is where the drone party happens, and Party Plaza, but there's the spike and Good Gravy right there. See, they're going up the spike, then they'll go through and down the rest of the track. I wish we could ride it. It looks like a fun roller coaster. Dang it. One thing to note is the snacks and drinks. Well, actually, snacks aren't free, but the drinks are totally free here, and they have free sunscreen as well. But also, this section right back here behind Good Gravy, this is the VIP section for the drone show later. So that's kind of nice. It's like elevated and above people, and there's not that many seats. This is kind of like what they got here. Pepsi products, it looks like, and Gatorade. But I mean, what other theme park gives you like free drinks, you know? I've never seen anywhere give just free drinks with the price of admission. That is awesome. Cheers to Holiday World. Party Plaza, it looks like it's gonna be a party. They got like a DJ booth and everything set up there. Also, right back that way, see all that corn? It's not just some random corn situation, no. That's the corn maze. We're gonna go try and dominate the corn maze and see if we get lost or, you know, find our way through. Okay, the corn maze is open from 11 to 4:30. I guess they don't want you getting lost after dark. It's definitely like you're walking through a pasture when you're going back to it. If we had smell-o-vision, you could smell the pasture too. And I'm not sure that it might have flooded down here. It's looking a little moist. They got like cool mummy faces on the hay bales, but you can't tell on camera, but there's quite a hill to get over to the corn maze. They have a junior one or a big one. I mean, I feel like we're gonna make it. We got 50 feet in and there's like already choices to be made. I think we go this way. We have a map, so I think we're right here. So I think we need to go here, then turn this way. I think it's this way, don't you, Lauren? Like this little jaunt right here, then here, like here, then here.
Yeah, I think so.
So we're going down this long stretch right here, which we could go here if we wanted to. I'm using my Boy Scout skills, but I think we're right here, this little V thing right there. Oh yeah, I found the first spot here. I'm on the right track. I was a Boy Scout. I know how to find my way. I know how to read maps. We can confirm that we are right here, and that's where I thought we were headed to, right there, that little diamond on the thing. So we're here. So I think we go this way. Okay, I've located the next checkpoint. We made it here, which is, we were here, now we're here. Now we're gonna try and go up this way around to the white checkpoint, which is right there. So I believe we have to go this way, and then it should come to a thing that just sort of goes up. But anyway, haven't got lost yet, I don't think. We're dominating the corn maze. Dominating. We found the next checkpoint, and we are right here. The next checkpoint we're gonna try and find, I think, is the blue one. So we can go this way. There's lots of hills in this corn maze, lots of hills. And it's kind of a little bit muddy, so keep that in mind. Don't wear your nicest shoes out here. We're coming up here to this flag, and I think we wanna go probably this way. Okay, we found another flag. We are confirmed at this spot right here in the middle, so this should like lead us out to the opening. All right, we found our last spot before the exit, so let's get in here and finish her out. I think we found the last little sign actually right next to the exit, so we go this way. and then through this little last part, and we're there, I think. So as you can see, we're back in civilization. We have conquered the corn maze. We did take one wrong turn, but in this size of a corn maze, taking one wrong turn, I think we did pretty dang good. But anyway, I don't think we're gonna do the junior corn maze because man the hills. But anyway, we're gonna head back into the park and see what else we can get into. Okay, we're gonna try Frightful Falls and see how it is. Okay, here's the aftermath of the water ride. It was pretty wet. I got pretty wet on it, more than wet than I thought I would, but broke down for a little bit, but they handled the situation. They got right through. Now I think we're gonna go try and find something to eat real fast because we're all getting hungry. Okay, we're in Santa's dining room here. It's really pretty in here. I got the seasonal pulled pork with, looks like onion things and mac and cheese, and Nate got the chicken sandwich, Lauren got some chicken tenders, and Chrissy got a chicken sandwich. It all looks pretty good, but like, you know, kind of standard theme park food. I'll let you know how it is in a second. Okay, I will say that pulled pork bowl, delicious. It was one of the seasonal offerings they had here. It was so good. That mac and cheese was like so creamy. Like if I got it next time, I would probably get like a little extra barbecue sauce just because like I didn't feel like there was enough barbecue sauce, but the flavors were there. 10 out of 10 would recommend. How was your spicy chicken sandwich? Was it good, Nathan?
It was pretty good.
Devin got a burger. What do you think of the burger?
It was pretty good, but it was kind of basic. I mean, it was just basically cafeteria food in the first place, so.
Yeah, kind of like basic theme park food, you know. Nothing. This one wasn't anything to write home about, but that bowl, delicious. Now, we can't talk to Chrissy because she's way over there, but she said her chicken sandwich was good, but it tasted like a little tough, like it had been sitting in water for a while, so maybe it's like, you know, 2:15 in the afternoon, maybe like the end of the lunch rush or something, I don't know. But anyway, how was the chicken tenders, Lauren?
Chicken was okay. It was a little hard, but it was edible.
So I think, you know, it's just like, if you're hungry, this is a quick place to come and get something to eat. The seating in here is a little tricky. We were lucky enough to get our own table over here, but other than that, it's a neat little environment in here, and there's like drink stations on this side and the other side, so get your free drinks while you're in here. All right, we're gonna get back out and have some more fun in the theme park. So they have the Holly Dolly Express. I don't know what it is, but you know, it looks like a train ride of sorts. Back here in Holly Dolly's Fun Town. It's like the kids area, it looks like. So that was a fun ride on the Holly Dolly Express. It was kind of like short. It was maybe like a minute, but they did like nursery rhymes while you went around and they had different scenes from nursery rhymes. It was pretty fun. I probably could have recorded on that one, but I don't think it was on the approved list, so I didn't. So you'll have to come here and ride it for yourself. But it was a fun little ride. So they also have like carnival rides back here. They're like Kittyland, like this like thing that spins around. I don't know. That seems like a hard no for me. And just so you know, like smokers, usually you can't smoke at theme parks. Like you can smoke here. It doesn't mean smoky areas throughout the park. We decided to watch a show here at the Hoosier Theater, kind of like this outdoor amphitheater thing, but it's like a Halloween themed show. Probably won't record too much of it, but I'll show you a few highlights. The stage is kind of funky cool. It's like got some microphones and the chandelier and some fog. A little spooky. That was a cute show. I'll put in a picture right here. I couldn't really show it because it was like straight up a musical, and they sang all kinds of like music that probably would have been copyright, but it was a cute show. It was worth watching. It was about a 30-minute show, kind of interactive, super fun. So check it out. There is a trick-or-treat trail here from 4 to 5 back here. So, you know, if you want some free candy, you can trick-or-treat back here. Okay, someone went full dinosaur for the costume because you can dress up in costumes here. Someone did the blow-up dinosaur. That's amazing. They also have these cute hay bales here. I did find out there's an age limit for the trick-or-treat, so it's 12 or under, but Lauren qualifies because she is 12. Sadly, I didn't qualify, but I mean, it doesn't mean I can't steal some candy later. You know, I mean...
You're only 14, right?
I'm only 14. It's fine. It's fine. Well, that was a fun little tree trail, but also check out the hay bales. That's cool. We're gonna get a picture. All right, that's gonna do it from a fun holiday world. We were gonna stay and watch the drone show. We had a little adventure last night with the hotel, and needless to say, we weren't in our hotel room last night until like 1 or something like that. We didn't get to bed till like 2. So we're like super tired. So I think we have a 2-hour drive to get back to our hotel. So we're going to skip the drone show for tonight, but we had a great day here at Holiday World. It was really fun. This park is really cute. If you have little kids, they'll just simply love it, I think. But there's enough big rides that the big kids will love it too, I think. The Halloween event was fun. We tried several different food items. They were all delicious. So, I don't know. I can't wait to come back maybe like during the summer and go to the water park and stuff like that. The things I want to say and point out here, just like the highlights, free pop, free sunscreen. I mean, that there right alone will save you like a ton of money. Just because like when you go to a theme park and it's hot, you're going to drink a lot of pop, and we sure did. We're mostly Gatorade and water, but it was all free. So, I mean, I can't say enough good things about Holiday World here in Santa Claus, Indiana. So, if you're thinking about coming, just stop in and do a quick day trip. I don't think you'll be disappointed. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and wrap this one up here so we can get on the road. But make sure you hang out just a little bit longer because we'll have some end cards with video suggestions, and we'd love it if you'd watch another video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos. If you got something out of this video, or you just want to help keep the show on the road, consider clicking that super thanks button down there. Any way you choose to support the channel, we really appreciate it. I'd love to know who made it this far in the video. If you did, say a merry time at Holiday World down there in the comments, so let me know you made it this far in the video. Alright everyone, we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace and love.